Welcome to your weight loss meditation. We're going to be doing some wonderful Rampage Style affirmations and visual practice. Before we do, let's take this time to really calm and relax so we can be open and receptive to the changes that we want. Let's leave doubt and anything else behind, anything you're holding on to from your day. This is your time. Now just close down your eyes and get comfortable in your favorite position and pull your attention away from the outside world. And just become aware of your breathing. We are going to do 6 breaths, in for 4 and out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Now I want you to take your arms and physically wrap them around yourself. Physically hug yourself. You can gently rub your arms too if you feel you need some extra love or soothing while doing this first part and connecting to yourself. I am choosing to lose weight for myself. I am choosing to become the best version of me. I am choosing to be healthy and flexible in my body. This is something I am doing for me, not to please anyone else. My health is my gift to myself. By becoming more healthy, I am demonstrating my love to myself. I accept and love myself for how I am and how I look. I am choosing to change to become the best version of me. This is the right time for me now to lose weight. I am taking responsibility for my health, my body. There are so many benefits to me losing this weight. Wherever I'm starting from is perfect. I am safe in this weight loss journey, and I am safe being me. You can continue on holding yourself or gently letting your arms fall to your side or rest in your lap. I love becoming the best version of myself. It's so easy for me to make healthy choices, whether it's food or exercise. This process is fun for me. My body knows my ideal weight and is doing all the heavy lifting for me. The hard work is already done. This process is so easy. I don't need to force motivation, discipline, or commitment. It's so natural. My body is automatically taking care of the process for me. My body knows how best to lose weight for me. I listen to my body's intuition. I am choosing to take exquisite care of my body. I let go of anything that is causing the weight to linger. If weight was my body's way of protecting me, I release that need now because I am protected and I am safe. If the excess weight is trauma I have held on to in my body, then I lovingly release it and I have the tools to help me heal it further if I need to. Any healing I need comes easily. Body, if I have hurt you in any way through my choices, I am sorry. I am sorry I haven't always taken care of you as you deserve. It may have been difficult to get rid of weight in the past, but it's easy now. Any previous or failed attempts to lose weight do not matter. The slate has been wiped clean. It is safe for me to have a lovely body. I am supported making any changes I need to. My body fully supports me in this process. It is safe for me to be appreciated and acknowledged for my body. I see the changes and it excites me. I'm choosing to lose this weight from a place of empowerment. I release any victimhood around my current weight and body. I accept where I am because it's the start to a bright and wonderful future with my body. My self-talk about my body has changed. It's easy to stop criticizing myself and my body. I am attractive no matter what. My beautiful spirit shines through and makes it so. It doesn't matter how long this extra weight has been with me. It is leaving me now. My whole being is aligned to my desire to lose weight. It's easy to let go of this weight. It's safe for me to let go of this weight. I lose weight easily. My body responds incredibly quickly to exercise. My body responds really quickly to healthy eating. I am the perfect weight. I embrace who I am, and I am well on the way to being the best me I can. Being the real me. It's easy to unlearn all the thoughts and behaviors that have led me to unhealthy ways. I make peace with where I'm at. I am in deep acceptance of myself and where I am. I love being the perfect weight. Everything I need to help me in this journey comes to me easily. It's easy for me to build on my progress and maintain the results I want. My body does it automatically. I am coming into alignment with my body. Law of attraction is on it. The universe is on it. Feeling good is my only job right now. Any steps I need to take are logical and easy. This is a journey I am eager and happy to undertake and go on. Things are good for me. I'm well on the path. I am tuned in to my intuition. My body lets me know what it needs to eat to be healthy, the best exercise for me to be limber. We are in harmony. I never knew this could actually be fun. I am having fun with this. I'm feeling better in myself and in my body. Breathing in for 4. And breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4. And breathing out for 4. Now I want you to see in your mind's eye a full-length mirror. I want you to walk over and face the mirror. In the mirror, I want you to see yourself as your ideal weight, wearing the most perfect outfit. Or, if you want to be in your birthday suit, you can do that instead. See yourself as you'd most like to be. Happy, vibrant, loving life, loving yourself, and especially your body. Feel how good it feels to be looking so well, so healthy, so radiant. This reflection of you is showing you that it's possible to become this version of yourself. As you look at the reflection of who you are in the process of becoming, I want you to feel these affirmations. In the mirror, I like what I see. I see Source shining through my eyes. All the cells that make up my body are thriving with health and vitality, all perfect and functioning optimally. I adore my beautifully functioning body. I adore my body. I adore the way I look. I like what I see. This is me. I've changed the way I see myself. My body is on my side. I let go of comparison. I have the most beautiful body for me. I am so thankful and grateful for my body. I appreciate my body. My body serves me immensely well. I trust the process. I trust my body. I see myself through the eyes of Source. I see and love myself as Source sees and loves me. This is who I am now, and I love myself. I have a magnificent body, and it's all mine. I feel empowered and confident. This journey has been more than just weight loss. I have come home to myself. I feel at home and at ease in my body. My body is clearly a manifestation of the love I have for it. I love you, body. I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. Breathing in for 4. And breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4. And breathing out for 4. Now, Just let that scene fade away, and once again, take your physical arms and hug yourself. We are going to send and radiate love out to your magnificent body. So just feel that wonderful love in your heart center, and just send that love starting at the top of your head, radiating that heart center love from the top of your crown down your head and face, down through your neck, radiating love down across your shoulders, across your torso, stretching that wonderful love feeling down through your trunk to your abdomen, radiating love as you go down to your lower back area, continuing to radiate that beautiful love feeling that you have for yourself down through your legs, through your knees, down your calves, into your feet, and all the way to the very tip of your toes. Now just feel your whole body radiating love, feeling that amazing love feeling for you. I love my body. I am the perfect weight. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Now I'm slowly going to count you out of the meditation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I love my body and I am the perfect weight. Lots of love, everyone.